Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add your headphones REALME T310 to the application. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and also if you have Android click pair new device after that. Then open the charging case and now it should enter to prank mode automatically, so click on it at the device list and hide the settings. Open the application and click pair device. Got it? And click on your headphones. Earphones is connected. Next. Now click again. Pair. I have read. Agree. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!